This is John with WTI. And recently, there's been some certain situations with the water around me, and it was feeling a little bit funny. But what I did is I started using this Acqua Panna. And let me tell you something. I just have this ease of mind that this water is just great. So it will not give you any, maybe this water is not well. And in places like where I am, sometimes the situation could be a little bit tricky. It will give you some trust issues. But having a really nice brand, I've used this for everywhere around me, and I'm trying to stay more hydrated lately. And I use this while I'm going to the gym, while I'm housed, and I always have one around me, while I'm driving next to my car. I have a water bottle next to me. So if you're looking for just good quality and that you're never gonna be like second guessing if the water that you're drinking is good or not, this one by Acqua Panna is really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.